knows how to make us talk even though we are babies.
Welcome, my name is Casey. In this video tutorial, we are going to look at how to create viral talking baby videos. We are going to look at how to create the characters, and we are going to look at also how to animate them, and of course how to make them say whatever you want them to say. So stick around and watch till the end, because at the end you too will start creating these for yourself. Let's ride. Subscribe to this channel, like and share the videos, because on this channel I will be sharing free AI tools that we can use and how we can use them to create things for ourselves. So if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, like and share this video, and also set notification. Okay, the first thing we are going to do is to create our characters. Okay, and in doing this, all you need to do is get the image of the person you want the character, the baby character, to look like. Okay, and as an example here, I am going to use my own image, which is what I have uploaded here. And the prompt I use is very simple. Okay, I say use this image to create me an image of this person as a baby in a modern podcast studio with a sophisticated microphone in front of him. The baby has a curly hair and carries the man's face. 4K image with sharp, vibrant color, size 16 by 9. Okay, and all these things I put here, you can always tweak them into whatever you want. And ChatGPT went ahead to give me this particular image here. Very funny. Was this how I look like as a baby? I don't really know, but I didn't really like this. Now the baby is fine. Okay, don't say that I'm not. I wasn't handsome when I was a baby. This is handsome now. This is cool now. Nice hair, right? Okay, so but I wanted something better than this, so I decided to tweak it again. So I say give me a 2-year-old baby. Now you can see that I'm becoming more specific now. So I asked it to give me a 2-year-old baby. I specified the age, and then the look: beautiful smile, sitting in a podcast studio, gentle young face. He wears a red tailor suit. So I've gone ahead now to tell it not to use this my shirt and tie again. Behind is a frame with a text, so I'm trying to tweak the background also. Slendom AI in a neon light. That ChatGPT gave me this beautiful one here. You see the baby is looking very beautiful now, like me, right? All right, and you can see our text behind. Okay, now it is just the same thing, guys. It is just the same thing. Okay, you can you can continue to tweak this. Let him wear agbada, let him wear Igbo traditional attire, let him have a, a natural dreadlock, let him do this, let it be like this. And I also use the same style to create the baby of the female version. I say give me a female version with a 2-year-old baby wearing a stylish ankara with matching hairstyle, modern style hair tie, podcast studio, warm smile, 4K vibrant colors, 16 by 9, and it gave me this. This is also very, very beautiful. If you want the ankara to be more sophisticated, you can say, okay, give me a version where she wears an ankara with um, intricate designs or patterns, okay, or embroidery and things like that. Just go ahead and describe what you want. If you don't want the background to be in a podcast studio, you can also change the background. Okay, now I'm going to bring both of them on the same scene. So what I'm going to do is I'll tell ChatGPT, okay, I had to do all this. Um, let us know. I had to do all this because I didn't want it to take our time. Okay, because ChatGPT can delay when it comes to image generation, especially if you're using the free plan. So I wanted to get things ready so that when we dive in, we go at once. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to say create or create me a version where they are sitting together. Okay, they are sitting side by side. Okay, or let me say they are sitting at an angle
of 45 degrees from each other, 45 degrees from each other, okay, from each other on a sofa in a modern sitting room, so I'm going to do that. 4K. Sometimes you need to keep reminding all these AI tools. 4K image, vibrant colors, well lit, so well lit, and 16 by 9, 16 by 9, or if you want it to be tall, you can say 9 by 16, 1 by 1 aspect ratio. You just mention 4 by 3, 3 by 4. There are so many aspect ratios depending on what you want to use the video for. Okay, like if it is going to be for YouTube, 16 by 9. If it's going to be for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, 9 by 16, and like that. Facebook goes with um, uh, 3 by 4 and 1 by 1. So for Instagram, the same thing. Instagram goes with 1 by 1 and 3 by 4 too. So ChatGPT. Okay, so ChatGPT has finished generating it for us, and this is what it created for us. Okay, and remember, I didn't change their clothes, I didn't change anything. I just used them like that. So I just this is the prompt we use, if you can remember. Okay, so create me a version where they are sitting together. I didn't say anything about their clothes, I didn't say anything about this thing. And another thing I use sitting at an angle of 45 to each other. Okay, and I should have, if you could also say sitting side by side. Okay, sitting side by side or facing each other. So that's just you can use all those phrases to tell ChatGPT how you want their positions to be. Okay, you can also create a prompt from this. For instance, you can tell ChatGPT to give you a prompt that you can use to generate this type of images using another AI tool, and you go ahead to write you a prompt on that. For instance, you can say give me a prompt to generate the kind of baby images as the male one above. So you just hit it and send it, and ChatGPT will write you a complete prompt. Can you see? So what you just do is copy it and go to any AI tool that you want to use and use it to generate it. Okay, so now we have done all that. The next thing is to go to another AI tool that we are going to use to make them talk, to add lip syncing to them, to make them actually say whatever we want them to say. Okay, so coming over to the tool that we are going to use, which is Grok. Go ahead and download it from Play Store or your iOS store if you're using iPhone. Okay, I've made tutorials on how to use Grok on my previous videos, so kindly go and watch those videos to know how to go about Grok in details. Okay, now when you open Grok, on top there you have Ask and Imagine. Tap on Imagine and then come and tap below here where you have Type to Imagine. There is an icon there. Tap on that place and then upload any image that you want. So in this case, we are going to upload the image of the baby, and once you upload an image, Grok will start animating your image immediately. And sometimes it doesn't come with the sound, or it won't say what you want it to say, so you need to customize it. So tap on Type to Customize and type whatever you want it to say. So in my own case, I will say he says in Nigerian language. In Nigerian language, he says in Nigerian language. Okay, before we continue, let's look at what Grok has generated so far. Okay, so that is what Grok has generated so far. As you can see, he's only dancing to the music. It's not saying anything. So I'll say he says in Nigerian language using an adult voice. So I'm going to add using an adult, so it doesn't use a baby voice. But if you want it to use a baby voice, you can also indicate that. So using an adult voice, an adult voice. So using an adult voice, what is he going to say? I'm going to say, hi, I am AI. Hi, comma, so that it can sound natural. Hi, comma, I am AI. Mr. Casey, we show. So I've changed it to capitals, but no problem. Mr. Casey, we show you how to create talking babies like me. Okay, that's not like me, using free AI tools. So I'll just stop there, full stop, then I'll close it with the quotation mark. Always use your quotation mark so that the AI will know that you are actually that it is actually a speech and not part of the normal prompt. Okay, and you can add camera movements in the other tutorials. I also showed how you can add camera movements to the image. Okay, like the camera can pan around, it can zoom to his face. So I will say something like camera zooms to his face, camera zooms to his face, he says. Then I will enter to go to generate it. So let's wait while he generates our video for us. And as you are generating this one, you can still go ahead and do the same thing for the other one. So while this one is generating, I'll go back and then I will attach again for this one. I'll select this one. So this one, we have two characters here. Like again, it will start generating, but we have two characters here. So I will tap customize and say they are talking using Nigeria adult voice. Okay, so voice. Now the last video that I made on how to make two characters talk using Grok, I made mention of how you can specify the character that is talking. So since we have a boy and a girl here, we are going to use boy for the boy and girl for the girl. So I'm going to say, boy, welcome to my house. So that's what the boy will say, boy, then in quotation, welcome to my house. So now girl will reply. So I'm going to use enter here. So girl replies in a quotation mark, thank you, full stop, I am happy to be here. Okay, then full stop, and then we close quotation, and then we'll animate. So I'll go back and check the ones that have been done before. Let's check the one for the boy.
Hi, I'm not a talking babe who likes me using free AI tools. Hi, I'm not a talking babe who likes me using free AI tools. Hi, I'm not a talking.
Alright, so it's not saying it smoothly. It's not saying what we actually want it to say. So I'll go again and try to generate again and see. So while it is generating, go and check the other one. Let's see.
Welcome to me house. Thank you, I am happy to be here. Welcome to me house. Thank you, I am happy to be here. Welcome.
All right, that's cool, but it's not still how we want it to be, and it's not using the adult voice that we're talking that we want it to use. So I'm going to add something. I'm going to say like matured Okay, so you keep doing this until you achieve what you want to achieve with it. In the next AI tool that we're going to use, I'm going to show you how you can use a matured adult voice for this without there's another method that you can use apart from this method we are using here. So I'll go again. Let's go and check the baby again.
Hey, hi. AI how to create painted baby using free AI tool.
All right, so what is happening here is that sometimes when the dialogue is very long, it tries to cut out some certain things. So I'm going to cut out the one that says, I'm going to cut out how to make talking babies like me. So I'm going to cut out using free AI tools. So I'll cut out that part and see. So in order to shorten it, let's see, because sometimes when it is long, it doesn't, it will not be able to animate and lip sync all the tests. You begin to skip some, and that is when you see it mixing words up like it is doing now. So let's check this one again.
Welcome to Meme House. Thank you. I am happy to be here.
All right. Okay, nobody reminded me that I actually typed welcome to me house instead of welcome to my house. So that mistake was for me, and that is why it is doing that. So guys, this is how to use this one. So we redo it, and then I'll go back, tap again. Okay, that's the one we have just done. Let's see the one that we have corrected here and see.
Hi, I'm AI. Mr. Casey will show you how to rate talking babies like me.
Fine. So this is great. So just because I added matured, it has started using an adult voice now. Or okay, it's not even here that I added mature self. Okay, so by trying and trying, we have been able to achieve that. It's also using a matured voice here. That's one thing with this AI. You keep trying and trying, okay, until you get what you want. Remember, they are still upgrading and adding more and more things and features and making adjustments to make sure that these AI tools work at least perfectly to a certain extent. So let's go back to this one and let's see.
Welcome to my house. Thank you. I am happy to be here. Welcome to my house.
All right, so you can still go again and try again. Now let's go to the second tool that we can use to lip sync. So what I'm going to do, the second tool involves that you animate with Grok, download it, and then use your own voice or upload a sound that you want to use. Okay, so let's go to that one. I'm going to go back to this baby's one, and I'm going to download it because that's what we are going to use. Okay, I'm going to download it because that's what we are going to use. First of all, let's play it.
Mr. Casey will show you how to rate talking babies like me. Perfect. Hi, I'm AI. Mr. Casey will show you how to rate talking babies like me.
All right, so as we can even see, the lip sync is not that perfect, so we can still go again and try to go again. Now let's go to the second tool. The second tool is Dreamface. Okay, so once you download Dreamface from Play Store and open it, it is going to show you like this. It is going to show you like this. Then go to talk and sing and tap on top talk and sing, and then go to tap the plus sign beside there to add your avatar. Go to album to open the image that we just animated using Grok. You must animate it first. If you don't animate it, it will not work. It will not work. It will not lip sync very well, and the hand movement will not be there. So the step is, before you use Dreamface, go to Grok and animate the image. Do not mind whether the sound is coming out or not. Okay, you don't even need to customize anything unless it is camera movements and all that. What you need to do is just create an animated version of the picture, okay, where the person is talking and making hand gestures and all that. Then come to Dreamface and upload it as an avatar, as I have done. Then order what you want the avatar to say. We are going to use record. Okay, in the previous videos I talked about all this and how to go about them. Please watch to know how to use Dreamface in details there. Okay, so I'm going to use record, which allows me to record my own voice, okay, up to 30 seconds. So I will tap and then I will start recording. All right, so Having done that, let's play it.
Welcome to Slendom AI.
So confirm it, and then once you confirm it, the animate here shows. So we go ahead and animate it, and we view it in profile later. Okay, as it's animating, you can see the percentage is going on there. Allow it to animate. Okay, you can view it later in profile. When you type there, we don't need the notification, but if you need to notification to be notified when the thing is ready, you can go ahead and activate it. So I'll tap maybe later. And so under here, profile, you can see all that you have animated before, and the one that is being animated now, which is that one, is 7%. So when you tap it, it takes you back to the here. So it has been animated. Let's see.
Welcome to Slendom AI. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how you create talking babies like the one you are watching now. If this is what you are interested in, let's dive in. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you get other tutorials that I will be dropping as time goes on. Thank you.
All right, so this is fantastic, guys. So you can see the way it is talking, and it is even using the voice that I want it to use, which is my voice. It's using my voice, okay, because I recorded it. So that is how to use these two to add lip sync to the videos that you already have. Remember what I said, you must animate before you bring it in. You must animate it before you bring it in, and you use talk and sing, not image to video. Okay, image to video will just make the image talk, and it will not, the hand movements will not be there. But talk and sing, we take an already animated image. That means it will take a video and add lip sync to the character in the video. Okay, you watch other tutorials, you will understand how to use these two step by step as I explained it in those videos. Thank you for watching this video, and let me know in the comment section if you are having any challenge at all, or if there's anything you want me to know, or any video you want me to create. Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to let us know how you have used this tutorial to create something for yourself. I will see you in the next tutorial. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any video tutorial that I will be dropping, and also remember to check your notification and set it. I'll also share this video so that others can also benefit from it. Until the next video, thank you for watching. My name is KC.